Alright guys, we're having some trouble with the ZR-1. Had to disconnect the alarm, that's why that panel's down. Here's what it's doing. Right, put the tilt down here. Okay, clutch in, it's in neutral. It'll start, then it dies. There, it's revving up now. But watch this. Then I'm giving it gas and it quits. You know, and sometimes it'll idle, and as soon as you give it throttle, it just bogs right down. It's like it's not getting fuel. Now it's getting fuel, but now it's not. Or it's ignition related, I don't know. Does anybody know? Has this happened? Is this an issue? Is this a fuel pump issue? Once it catches, it seems to rev up nice. Like mechanically, I think it's okay, because it does sometimes rev right up and sound good and everything. So I think it's somehow electrical in nature. He sounds good, very smooth. Nothing. Good oil pressure. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys have any idea what this is, I'm going to do some research, but please let me know in the comments below. And I'll let you know what happens with this. Thanks for watching, and we'll follow up in a bit. Thanks. All right, let's check for trouble codes first of all. We need a little piece of wire, and the OBD1 connector is right under the steering column here to the right, by your right knee. So you want to jumper the bottom left and the top right. Okay, just like that, bottom left and top right. Okay, then we'll go up. And we'll turn the key to the on position. And we'll see what happens on the readout here. Let's get this tilt wheel out of the way. C12. Some fan is running now. I'm toggling through the computers, I think you do it with the trip button. Let's try this again. C12. So I think that's it. Just C12, that's all it's showing.